I do have the Ten Commandments and DVD at home. I've been meaning to rewatch it, with whatever Yul Brynner from 1957 or something. One other Israeli trip recollection, then we'll move on to the art. Following one of the guest teaching presentations at Haifa University, I had lunch in a campus cafeteria with a professor whose class I had guest taught. She told me, to my surprise, of ideological right-wing Jewish Israeli settlers in the West Bank, and you probably won't know this, I didn't know this. She said only half of those settlers are religious, Orthodox. I thought they were all religious. She said half of them are totally secular, but they're extremely right-wing. And I think they're the ones who have probably been attacking West Bank Palestinian villagers and so on, which is in the news a lot. And now I'm going to conclude with an excerpt from the last posthumously published column of a late American Jewish journalist and author. His name was Leonard Fine. He was born in Brooklyn, New York, 1934. He passed on in 2014, 10 years ago. This is published August 16th, 2014, in the then Jewish weekly English language newspaper called The Forward. It's now an online magazine called Forward. And Sedero is a Israeli town in the Negev Desert, near the border with Gaza. This is from that last column, which we read online in the Forward's website.